back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Salad Bar and Juice Bar channel. And now today we want to make something nice for the Juice Bar channel, guys. We're gonna make you a lovely celery salad with some cucumber, tomato, celery, and some mixed leaf. Very simple, easy to make at home, and I know you guys can make this one at home. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment in the description box. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, so please don't go anywhere and please watch this video. It's amazing and simple salad to make at home from Chef Ricardo and the team. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. I love you all. Don't go anywhere. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team, guys, and stay tuned. Big up on yourself. Respect goes out for every one of you. Simple celery salad at home. Nice and lovely. So basically, right over here, we got some celery. And nice. So what I'm going to do now is simple get my, this is the mixed leaf which I already have. Alright guys. And we're going to get the celery and I'm going to just simple cut up my celery. Just so you guys can see exactly what I'm going to do right here. So once I cut up a celery, I'm gonna just mix it together like this. So I'm gonna get all of my celery and I'm gonna simply cut them up. Very easy and simple to make, and honestly I know you guys 100% can make this one. Then we got some cucumber. It's gonna be an amazing one. This is lovely. Fold everything, the mixed leaf, the celery and the cucumber together. Alright, we got half of a red onion. So what you want to do, you just want to fold up everything together. If it doesn't like red one, you don't need to put it inside of it. But that's Chef Ricardo all about. Tomato. Really nice. So what I'm gonna do is to show you my fans of something. Look at this now. I'm gonna simple just take out a little bit of the leaf with the celery and everything and just put it in the bottom of the bowl like this. Alright. Nice one. Then we have the rest of tomato. And that's the way how we're doing it right now at the moment. As you can see, very simple and unique. I will just cut them into half. Fold it in. Nice one. See, that look good. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is crack a little bit of pepper and a little bit of chili. I like my dry chili. I got some sun-dried tomato, which I'm gonna simple. Just put a few inside of it. You don't have to put a lot. I just want the oil from the sun-dried tomato. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the oil of the sun-dried tomato to bring in the flavor to the salad. You can cut up the sun-dried tomato a little bit smaller if you have the time. It will come out much more better and even lovelier. So once you do your salad, all you're going to do is just use your hand and fold it in. Alright? The next thing what you're going to do is just get this one and simply put it on top of it like this. Alright? You're going to get a lovely salad. Celery salad. Nice and lovely. So basically, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. This is a simple homemade salad from Chef Ricardo, guys. So please stay tuned, don't go anywhere, watch more recipe like this. And that is a lovely simple celery salad, as you can see. Enjoy it and subscribe and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. I will see you next time. Bye bye.